Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Lincoln MKX. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you do have a chrome grille. HID headlights keep you nice and bright. We're going to take a look down the passenger side now. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this MKX is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lincoln on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.